Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how many RAM slots does Lenovo LOQ 15 have. So it has only 2 RAM slots and both of them are used. So if you're planning on upgrading your memory, then you should take into consideration the fact that you should just buy 2 sticks and replace the old ones with the new ones, because there's no free slots in the RAM slots. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.